In this video, we will look at the concept of operation scenarios in PowerFactory. Operation scenarios are a way of applying different operating conditions to a network model by changing certain element attributes. Take, for example, a generator. There are certain attributes of the generator, such as its type or where it's connected, which only rarely change. But other attributes, such as the megawatt and megavar set points, change frequently with time. The values assigned to such attributes in the main network model would only represent one operation state. By creating an operation scenario, the user can apply new values to the attributes of generators and indeed many other network elements. The attributes that can be modified in an operation scenario are highlighted in blue. And when any values are modified, the user has the choice to save these modifications to the scenario or discard them. In this project, a number of operation scenarios have been created to represent different operating points. Scenario data such as active and reactive load values and generation set points are different in each of the scenarios. Let's look at this scenario, which represents a time when wind generation levels are high. If we open a Network Model Manager, look at Synchronous Machines, and go to the Load Flow tab, we can see the active power set points of the generators. But how does this compare with the other operation scenarios? If we click on this tab, the Scenario Manager is activated. This configurable view allows us to see the data in selected scenarios and compare them. This is the currently active scenario. In the same variable selection profile, we have also selected variables to be shown for static generators. If we want, we can change the configuration to see different element attributes. It's also possible to include attributes which are not scenario data. We can now easily see how the level of wind generation compares between this scenario and the others. In the Scenario Manager, one can also copy data from one scenario to another, and those changes are immediately saved. But normally, scenario data are simply edited for the active scenario, where they can be changed manually, by script, or by import from external sources. Operation scenarios provide a highly flexible mechanism for studying your network under all sorts of operating conditions.